Earlier this week, I saw a YouTube video of Jay Lee painting, that's the YouTube channel, of how to draw a couple walking in the rain. And it was a 10-minute long video, and it was completely captivating. And it made me want to paint. And so in this episode of Why Not, I'm going to try to recreate Jay Lee's painting of how to paint a couple walking in the rain. So actually making this blotter was a little hard. Getting them in these perfect teardrop shapes, that was not very easy. And also I didn't have gray, so I just ended up mixing black and white and got like a darker gray than he has, but that's okay. And then also, as you can see, like my green and my reds and my whites, they're a little messy, but hey, we are not seeking perfection here. We are just seeking an experience, so we're gonna go with it. Those blotter dots are not looking very good down there, are they? Also, the green is a different shade. He had a yellowish green, and mine was just like a really bright green, but it'll do. Like I said, we're seeking for experience, not perfection. And the video moves a little fast, so I have to do some catching up. This doesn't quite look like what it's looking like he has. My red is looking more blood-like, and the green is mixing in. I don't really know what to do here, but we're just gonna go with it. It's reddish enough. Oh, this one's very red, so that's pretty good. Yep, yeah, we like that. Uh-oh. Now the green is seeping in. It's getting darker than it should be, but that's all right. Like as I said, we're looking for experience, not perfection. Now I really had a hard time kind of mapping out the white road here. I don't know if the painting can be pulled off with that much whiteness. Oh, here's the foil. I use some foil. Dab, dab, dab. And just dab it all around. Dab it all around. Just keep dabbing. It's a good exercise for the wrist. It's actually pretty calming too, just dabbing. And I would say the foil dabbing made it seem like, oh, okay, now I'm really painting. It has textures, it has, the different colors are mixing in more, so I really like this foil dabbing experience. But the white in the middle, my goodness, it's getting to me. But again, we're not looking for perfection, we're looking for an experience. Now we got a baby foil ball to dab the middle. Yeah, that middle one. I think I didn't quite get the depth, so it's gonna look like just a hill. If you look at his kind of dwindles and narrows in the back, so there's some depth to it, which I didn't quite get. It was hard to squeeze the paint, so we'll try it next time. But this time it's just for the experience. Oh, okay. Well, he's already drawing the tree. There goes the tree. Alright, let's get the back. Put some tree branches. Okay, well, my wrist is blocking it, but you know, it's not that perfect, so it's okay if I block it. Alright, he's going kind of fast with those trees, so I'm gonna need to catch up. But look how dark his trees are compared to mine. But again, it's okay. We're looking for the experience, not perfection. We'll make it better next time. Alright, I need to really catch up on this one. He's already kind of blotting the bottom of those trees, and I'm still working on the branch. Okay, now blotting the trees, putting that base in. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of my art class in senior year. Now, I've never been the artistic type. I never knew how to draw, or I didn't know how to draw, I didn't know how to paint. I didn't really do anything artistic as a kid. I didn't even know how to color, really. But anyway, I needed to take an art class, and so I was enrolled into Miss Mulholland's class. My counselor put me in an AP art class. Why? I don't know. I think it was the only class that really fit my schedule at the time. But anyway, I was put into AP art in Miss Mulholland's class, and I was definitely out of my league. Everyone in that class, they knew how to paint or draw, and they were just artistic. And meanwhile, I still needed to learn, but somehow I was in this AP program, and I remember I was drawing trees one time, and I left my painting, and I think I was drawing it with acrylics also, either acrylics or watercolors. But anyway, so I made a portrait of a tree, and I remember just having it lying around on the table somewhere, and Miss Mulholland saw it and was just so surprised. She picks it up, and with indignation, she goes to the class and goes, "Everyone, this is not AP caliber art. This should not be happening in our class." And I just felt so embarrassed because it was my tree. But anyway, so here I am now, attempting those same trees. So here you go, Miss Mulholland. Check these trees out. Maybe they'll pass, but probably not. I don't know about this one. But anyway, again, we're seeking for experience, not perfection. But yeah, I still don't know why I was in that AP art class. But nevertheless, I think I enjoyed it because I liked the people in that class. I had some good friends in that class who all knew how to draw and were awesome at it. Okay, so now we're putting some Q-tips. Put some red. I believe it's red. And then we're dabbing it on for some accent. It's a lot of Q-tips. All the earwax that is not picked because of this painting. We're working on the white path, the road path. Yeah, I don't think I can fix this one. It just looks like a blob of cottage cheese at this point. But again, we're not looking for perfection. We're just seeking an experience. Okay, now we got a singular toothpick. Oh wait, no, that's not a toothpick. That's a Q-tip. And adding more accents to the ground. Accents. in the tree. Kind of looks like Christmas balls. So I'll roll with it. The experience. Okay, so now, alright, now I'm struggling with this umbrella. I think the contrast between the background and my umbrella are close to none, and so it's just looking very camouflaged over there. But anyway, we're gonna move on to the couple under the umbrella. Didn't quite look like his, but we'll roll with it. I have no art training whatsoever. That reminds me of, do you guys remember William Hung on American Idol? When he said, I have no professional training. And then Simon Cowell was like, no, you don't say. So yes, people, I don't have training, formal art training, and yes, it's obvious. You make the couple so thin and like with the shadow and everything, but I'm just kind of adding color to my secondary person here. Alright, I'm going to try to work on that umbrella a little bit longer. Maybe add a little bit more contrast. I don't know. It's still looking like part of the background though. But whatever. Now let's put some shadow. Alright. Now we use cardboard to put some rain effect. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know why that one's a little crooked, but some rain is crooked. Maybe it was the wind in that area. That rain effect. It's just using cardboard too. Oh, uh-oh. The cardboard fell. Oh well. Again, we're not looking for perfection. We're just looking for an experience. Alright, I'm gonna work a little bit more on that umbrella. Maybe it'll look more like an umbrella, but man, it's still looking blended in. Again, we're not looking for perfection. We're just looking for an experience.